In this section, we're going to give you a few basic exercises to just get healthier. This can be a routine. These exercises will work your full body. What will happen is you can do them for weight building, for muscle building, if you do them sort of slowly and give yourself enough time to recover your breath. Or you can do them as an aerobic exercise if you just do them one after another. And you can create any kinds of sets with them, any multiple for time, for number of reps you can do. So this can give you, and you can couple them, put them one after another, after another, after another. This can go on for an hour, for half an hour, for an hour, and this can give you a really great workout from your office, from your home, in the park, anywhere. So you don't need gym equipment, which is great. And these are basic calisthenics exercises, which means you don't need equipment. We have a full course on calisthenics, which eventually you'll need more advanced variations of these exercises, so that will be a good course to get. And the link to that course will be at the very end of this course, the last lecture, if you're interested. But here you'll have enough exercises that you can create a great workout routine for building muscle all over your body, which is, of course, when you build muscle, you end up burning more fat naturally. And for if you want to give yourself a little bit of a cardio element to your workout as well, you can do this. It's not going to replace running, but it's certainly going to help. And you don't necessarily have to run. I mean, it really depends on your workout routine overall. But I'm just saying that it's not as good as maybe running a few miles a day or something. But it's certainly very good exercises. Give you more sort of stamina, give you muscle, and really you can do them anywhere. So that's this section. Enjoy.